In this video, we are going to see how we can set the bookmark bar in Chrome to always show or always hide. As you can see here right now, no bookmark is enabled. So first of all, let me just select one website that I want to bookmark. So let's say YouTube. Just select this tab, go to this three dots, go to bookmark and click on bookmark this tab. It will ask you for the name, which is already selected to YouTube, and folder should be bookmark bar. Click done. But even then we can see that nothing is shown here because we haven't enabled the bookmark bar. We have to separately go to this three dots and access it from here. Just go to the bookmark and list, and here is your bookmarks. If you want to show this always, what you can do is from the bookmarks and list, set this to show bookmarks bar, and it should show up like this. Something else what you can do is just go to the three dots and you can go to this settings right at the bottom. From here, just go to the appearance, and here you just enable or disable this show bookmark option, the bar option. Just enable that, and then you should be able to always display or always hide the bookmark bar in Chrome. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for all the future videos. Till then, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.